Here again for you, Thomas the farmer, again out to the field to educate you something or to let you know something. My fellow farmers, keep locked to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like and share. So there is this bacteria or bacterial disease called Fusserium wilt. Fusserium wilt is a bacteria that affects almost every plant. Every plant. It's a bacteria that it's found in the soil. When you plant your seedling there, it starts to feed on the plant roots until it destroys the roots. The plant withers and dies or dries up. So this is a very deadly disease that it is costing most farmers. It can destroy the whole block. It can destroy the whole block. Fusserium wilt. I know there is a lot of bacterial wilts, but Fusserium wilt is very dangerous. It feeds on herbs and spices. It feeds on veggies. It feeds on everything. It destroys everything. Fusserium wilt. This is an example for Fusserium wilt that is destroying our tarragon. I will show you. There is another one on sage. There is another one on basil. There is another one on lovage. Almost every block is affected with the Fusserium wilt, especially sage. Sage is very weak, and Fusserium normally hits it proper. So this is an example of Fusserium wilt I've come across in our block of tarragon while I was doing scouting. This is it. You see, the plant looks fresh. The plant normally looks fresh. As you can see, this one, you see it fresh. It's very fresh at the top, but when you follow it down, it already started dying. You see this one, it looks fresh at the top, but down it had already started dying, which means Fusserium already started feeding it from the root. It normally makes the root to rot. When the root rots, the plant is not able to feed well. That's why it ends up the plant to die. So this is it. You see, this plant is already affected. You see, you can see the color. This is already affected by Fusserium wilt. You see, it is already affected by Fusserium wilt. But when you see the plant at the top, it is very fresh. Before it is affected fully, it is normally very fresh, because it does not feed on all roots. It feeds one by one, slowly by slow, until it ends up finishing up the plant. That's why you'll find most plants in your block or herbs and spices, your crops, withering or wilting, drying up, not knowing what is affecting. Mostly it is called Fusserium wilt. The best way to control it, you normally just uproot the plant that is affected to reduce infection, but you cannot. It's not easy. It can't just reduce completely, because it has already spread in the soil, and the roots of the plants are already spread widely, feeding. So that's how it normally keeps on transferring from one plant to another through roots. While as the plant feeds through those roots, those feedings is where the bacteria transfers. Also, there is this bacteria called those nematodes. The same way Fusserium wilt spreads, the same way nematodes also spreads. Nematodes are found in soil, and when you apply your fertilizer, water, then nematodes goes finds a habitat to the roots. The root swells, it feeds on everything. The root rots, until the plant dies. So I'll show you how nematodes affect the plant and how to know if your plant is affected with nematodes. Which normally affects basil and chives. I'll be going there and I'll show you the video and how to see it and how to spot it and how to you can control it. But mostly bacterial diseases, mostly they are controlled by uprooting the plant or drenching some fungicide or doing crop rotation. Mostly we have to maintain crop rotation. It will help you to control them. You don't just keep on planting the same. You do crop rotation. It will help you. Keep locked to my YouTube channel and learn more about it.